So I just got my hair cut. I'm gonna take you guys on the journey of what I do, how I do it, and all that good stuff. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned for this video. Go ahead and hit the red subscribe button below. Give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful, and drop a comment if you get your hair cut or you want to get your hair cut and you live in New York and you want a good stylist. I definitely recommend my stylist because he's bomb. But yeah. So this is my salon. It's super clean, super modern, super cute, and super everything that you would be looking for in a salon. So let's get into it. So this is how my hair looked after I took out my ponytail that you guys probably saw in my other video, I hope. So Juan is gonna cut my hair dry today because it's pretty detangled. So he went in with a tangle like teaser, one of those like easy detangler brushes, which y'all know I'm not really too fond of, but he made it work. So Juan starts out by just sectioning my hair with his hands. Notice how he's not using a comb because my hair is not in a combing state right now. So he needs to put it in small sections. Okay guys, so what I love about Juan is he's super gentle with my hair. So as you guys can see, he's just like combing it out first with this detangle brush, which I previously did not like, but he did a good job using it. Like barely any hair came out. So he just detangles and he tries to stretch my hair down as far as possible, being that it's not blow dried. And then he just trims off the ends and he just works in these small sections and then basically like goes around my whole head while my hair is dry. So sometimes he cuts it wet and sometimes he cuts it dry, but my hair is like pretty detangled, like it's pretty soft right now. So that's why he's able to just like cut it dry. So I noticed that his technique is to basically try to match my hair sections up. So as you can see, he's pulling down 2 different sections right now to make sure that my hair is like even in the front and the back, or as even as it can be. And then he just trims along that line. 2 months, it was way easier to comb. So I was like, I probably didn't cut it even, but I cut off the bad parts.
You tried, you know?
So before I found Juan to save my life, I used to cut my own hair, which is what I was just telling him. So earlier in the video, I told Juan that my hair was, you know, a little on the harder side because I had some gel in there. So he just sprays it down to make it a little easier to comb. So another pro right there. He definitely listens when I tell him something. He doesn't just say, oh, okay. So that's also what I really like about him. He's always open to being educated. And just like bringing me his knowledge so that I can do what I need to do for my hair, but also like listening to me because, you know, like I know my hair best. So he actually listens, which I love. So shout outs to Juan again. So as y'all can see, the inches is coming in. They coming in. So this is the easy detangler brush that Juan used. It looked a little different from mine, so maybe that's why it worked better. But yeah, as you guys can see, barely any hair came out and he did half of my head at this time. So we're doing a good job as far as not breaking my hair off and making sure that it's detangled. Another super important thing, as you guys can see, Juan sprayed my hair down. Then he like pat the water in, so super gentle. And then he detangles my hair from the bottom up. Like, you know, some stylists, they just like dig the comb into your head. I'll tell you guys about that in another video because right after this haircut, I end up with a botched braid job. So I'll tell you guys all about that in another video. Let me know if you guys would be interested. That's why I'm telling you guys these tips of what to look out for when you're going to a stylist. So, yeah. As you guys can see, we focused on length. So Juan basically asked me like, what's your goal? When I met him, he's like, what's your goal? So basically like both on the same page that we're on a growing journey. So he just like basically cuts off what needs to be cut off. So I know a lot of people, when they think haircut or trim, they're like, I'm about to have a no hair left. But usually Juan takes off like less than an inch. I want to say closer to half an inch. But sometimes like the last time I went, which was after this time, after my botched botched braid job. He cut my hair and he cut a little more off. So we're all trimmed and ready to go. Time to get my hair washed. So I noticed that Juan really tries to keep my hair detangled as he's combing it and as he's just like washing it. So he like washes my hair in basically sections and then he just like combines it all together and makes sure that it stays detangled. So I don't know about you guys, but getting your hair washed by someone else is like self-care, like peak self-care. So I love getting my hair washed by someone else just because I always do my own hair. So sometimes I'm just tired of it. And as you guys can see, Juan is very gentle and he just like does a phenomenal job like washing my hair. I even sometimes get like a little neck massage thrown in there. So again, shout outs to Juan because he really makes it a good experience. And I just always love how my hair comes out. And this video is not sponsored. So before you guys go and say that Juan is putting money in my pockets for me to speak good about him, he is not. He is just so bomb, and I want to let everyone know because he has been a pivotal part of my growth journey so far, which I'll show you guys in another video. So this is my hair after it's been washed. The shrinkage is real, sis, but as you guys can see, my hair is not tangled at all. Like, what? So due to COVID, to get people out like in a faster manner, they're kind of encouraging you to get one service. So basically the service was for me to get my haircut, but the haircut includes a wash and a haircut. And just for the pricing, for you guys that wanted to know, it costs $75 total for everything. And then just so that I can go home, Juan is going to put my hair in some Bantu knots, aka shiny bumps. Shout out to my Jamaicans, okay? So he's going to put my hair in some Bantu knots so that I can go home. And I just like putting my hair in Bantu knots, as you guys saw in my other video, which I'll plug in right here. I like to get them because they help my hair dry faster and it just keeps my hair detangled. So that's just the story behind it for me. Not really any like styling factor. So yeah. So another thing, just as far as products, Juan uses mostly Mazzani products in my hair just because he finds that those work best for me. So based on your hair type, he's just gonna put products that he thinks will work best for you. So they definitely do use great products here, and he really likes to make sure that the product is like lathered into my hair because he knows my hair is super thick. And as you guys can see, the attention to detail is just like wow. Like I don't even part my hair to do Bantu knots, so this is different for me. And he also doesn't twist them before he does them, which I normally do. So that's also different for me as well. So let's see how this comes out. My hair came out is super cute, and their bathroom is cute also. I'll show you what's that in a minute. It says Salon 718, and it has the Brooklyn Nets cheerleader whose hair they did. So she looks bomb. Black girl magic. Okay, sis. If y'all know her, tag her. Alright, and that's really cute, super clean, especially during COVID. Have this mirror here, and that is pretty much it. Guys, I really need to get better at my walk videos. Like, they're really terrible. Like, if you see my tour of Tulum, you're gonna see my so it's terrible. That was my haircut. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I get my haircut like every 3 to 4 months. In this case, it was 5 due to coronavirus. So yeah, I usually only get like an inch or half an inch taken off. He doesn't chop off a lot, which is what I really like about him. He actually like assesses my hair, and he like will ask me like, okay, what are our goals again? So the goal is to grow out my hair and just make sure that it's healthy. So I did get my hair cut dry today. I normally get it cut wet, but he has done it dry a couple times. I think it depends on like if my hair is stretched or not. He'll kind of just like gauge whether or not it can be done dry or wet. And yeah, I really like him. He does a really good job, and I really like that he's super educational. He lets me know like everything he's about to do, even though I've been to him like probably 10 times now. So he still always makes everything very educational and lets me know exactly what he's doing before he does it. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know how often you get your haircut and all that good stuff. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.